Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 9. This is our team. My name is Muhammad Syahmi bin Abdul Rashid. My metric card is CN210184. Okay, my name is Muhammad Syahmi bin Abdul Rashid. Metric number is CN210184. First is 6.1. Explain the link between computer network and internet. First is, what is a computer network? A computer network is a group of two or more computers that are connected together to share resources and communicate with each other. This connection can be made using a variety of technologies such as wire, cables, radio waves, and infrared light. Next is, what's in the internet? The internet is a vast network of interconnected computer network that spans the globe. It is a collection of networks that are linked together using a common set of protocols, which are the rules that define how computers can communicate with each other. This protocol allows computers to share information, exchange files, and access applications that are hosted on the computer. How are computer network and internet linked? Computer networks are the building blocks of the internet. When two or more computer networks are connected together, they form an internetwork. The internet is simply a very large internetwork that connects millions of computer networks all over the world. Example of the linked computer network and the internet. First is connecting to a website. When you type a website address into a web browser, your computer sends a request to the DNS server to find the IP address of the website. The DNS server then send the IP address back to your computer, which user is connected to the website server. The web server then sends the website content back to your computer, which display it in your web browser. Second is sending an email. When you send an email, your email client sends the email message to an email server. The email server then sends the message to the recipient email server. The recipient email server that delivers the message to the recipient email client. Third is making a video call. When you make video call, your video conferencing software sends your video and audio data to a video conference server. The video conference server then sends the data to the other person video conference software. The other person video conference software then display the data on their screen. 6.2. Explain the connection between computer network and internet. Computer network and the internet are intimately linked, forming the backbone of modern communication and information exchange. A computer network, a collection of interconnected computers, serves as the foundation upon which the vast expanse of the internet is built. The internet in turn interacts the network to facilitate sending communication and data transmission across the globe. Computer network provide the infrastructure for connecting the devices and enable them to share resources such as file, printer, application. They establish a local exchange information and user with expert area and office or home to collaborate and share resources efficiently. The Internet, on the other hand, extends the reach of computer network beyond geographical boundaries. It is a global network of network communication called the individual network and enabling them to communicate and exchange data seamlessly. The Internet allows users worldwide to access information, interact with each other, and engage in a modern world. 6.2. The importance of computer network and telecommunication network in serving the Internet. First is computer network and telecommunication network play crucial role in information to serve the internet efficiently. First is computer network. First point is resources sharing. Computer network allows users to share resources such as file and printer within a location area, facilitating collaboration and efficiently resource utilization. Next point is local connectivity. Local network provide the initial connection point for a device to access the internet. They establish a foundation for connecting to ISP and gaining access to the broader internet. Third is wireless connectivity. Wireless connectivity such as Wi-Fi will extend the reach of computer network, allowing users to access the internet from various locations within the campus. Is telecommunication network. First point is internet backbone. Television networks such as fiber optic cables and satellite network form the backbone of the internet, providing the physical infrastructure for transmitting data across vast distance. Next point is internet access. ISPs utilize telecommunication network to provide internet access to individual users and organizations. This network carry data packet between user and the broader internet. Next is broadband connectivity. Telecommunication network enable the broadband internet connection, offering high-speed data transmission that support various online activities, including streaming video, downloading material, and engineering and real-time communication. In conclusion, computer networks and telecommunication network are indispensable components of the internet, working in tandem to provide users with seamless access to the vast resources and services available online. Computer network establish localized connectivity and resource sharing, while telecommunication network provide the backbone for long-distance data communication, enabling users from all over the world to connect and engage in the digital realms.
Assalamualaikum. My name is MAIDIN. My metric card number is CN21046. I would like to do my introduction. In our interconnected computer network and the internet are vital for seamless communication and information exchange. This network serves as the backbone of the communication system, linking devices to share resources and data. The Internet, a global network of interconnected computer network known as the World Web, has transformed our way of life, work, and interaction. A computer network connects various computing devices like computer, server, and router, enabling communication through technologies such as cable, Wi-Fi, and cellular network. Network can range from small home setup to the vast internet spanning the globe. The internet relies on the Internet Protocol for communication, offering a platform for global collaboration and information sharing. Computer and, computer and telecommunication networks are crucial for accessing the internet, allowing devices to connect, access websites, and exchange data. Without this network, the internet would exist significantly, altering the interconnected world experience. A computer network is a group of connected computers that can communicate with each other. This computer can be located in the same building or they can be spread out across the globe. Computer networks are used to share resources such as files, printers, and applications. They are also used to communicate with each other through sending, email, and chatting. There are two types. There are two main types of computer network, which is LAN, which is a small network that typically used to connect computer in a home, office, or school. Second is wide area network, which is for us to connect computer over long distance, such as city or the component for computer network are the network optical card, cable or wireless signal, and the device. A telecommunication network is a network that is used to transmit information over long distance. The information can be in the form of voice, data, or video. Telecommunication networks are used to make phone calls, send email, and browse the internet. There are two main types of telecommunication networks, which is wide network that will use cable to transmit data, while wireless network use radio wave to transmit data. The components for telecommunication network are transmitter, receiver, transmission media, and network device. The Internet is a global network of interconnected computer networks. It is the largest and most complex computer network in the world. The Internet is used to share information, communicate with others, and access a wide variety of resources. How do they work? The Internet works by using a set of protocols, which are rules that govern how computers communicate with each other. The most important protocol in the Internet is the Internet Protocol (IP). The IP address are unique. IP addresses are unique numbers that are assigned to each computer on the Internet. These addresses allow computers to find each other and send information to each other. Internet of Things related to computer network. IoT has become a revolutionary force in the age of digital transformation, permeating every aspect of our everyday life. Smart home appliances and wearable fitness trackers are just two examples of the plethora of IoT. Uh, Computer network and the Internet of Things have symbiotic relationship in which both are essential to the other expansion and functionality. Computer networks effectively transfer to the vast amount of data generated by IoT devices, making it available for analysis and insights. Computer networks, on the other hand, supply the fundamental connectivity needs for IoT devices to perform as planned, facilitating their incorporation into smart city, homes, and businesses. Lastly, network virtualization, network slicing, automation, and monitoring are just a few examples of the innovation driving the convergence of IoT and computer network. As the Internet of Things, IoT continue to change. Computer network will stay at the forefront, adapting and innovating to meet the demands of this interconnected world. The advantages and disadvantages. Advantages of Internet. We can easily access information by using the Internet, such as researching them. Secondly, the Internet allows us to communicate with people from far distance. Next, With the help of internet, we can buy things online such as from Shopee, Lazada, Amazon. Finally, people can seek entertainment from the internet with the help of YouTube, TikTok, or Twitter. The disadvantage of internet is addicting toward people, which could lead to social isolation and will lead to health issues. Second, privacy of a user can be breached by hacker if the user didn't properly set password or clicking on suspicious link. Next, hackers can do such illegal stuff that can go undetected by authorities. Lastly, sending information to cause harmful toward people and it can cause great destruction.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Kamal. My name 41015. So for this part, analysis from the explanation. So the internet network has become essential resources for information access, communication, and teamwork. Despite their frequent interchangeability, the two phrases refer to different areas of different application objectives. It is essential to comprehend the basic distinction in order to navigate the constantly changing digital terrain. So, Computer Network is a group of linked computers that share resources and transmit data. As the name implies, this network can connect businesses and institutions all over the world over great distance, or they can cover a small physical region like a house, office, and school. A computer network can purpose is to make it easier for limited devices to communicate and share resources. This promotes productivity and teamwork by users to easily access files, printers, and other network resources. A range of communication protocols including Ethernet, Wi-Fi, and cabling are used by computer network to create connection and guarantee transfer. This protocol guarantees compatibility and interoperability across various devices and network kinds by defining the guidelines and formats for data exchange. On the other hand, billions of devices are connected to the internet, which is a massive global network. There is no single entity in charge of the system operation, making it decentralized. Instead, to enable smooth communication across various networks, the internet depends on collaborative structure of protocol standards and addressing techniques. The main function of the internet is to offer a worldwide forum for communication and information exchange. It, include, it includes a vast array of services such as email, social media, file sharing website, and the World Wide Web. The way we conduct business, interact, and obtain information has been completely transformed by these services. So, for the conclusion, the internet and computer network have completely changed how we communicate, work, and live. They have transformed industries, improved information access, and allow global collaboration. Comprehending their unique function and interaction is crucial for maneuvering through the more digital landscape. Computer network and the internet will surely become much more revolutionary as technology develops. Their influence will be felt in a variety of fields, from reshaping the nature of employment in the future to transforming healthcare and education. The digital is ever changing. So, thank you.